Hello everyone, my name is Nokuthula Selamolela. I am the CEO of Food and Beverages Manufacturing SETA, and I'm very proud to announce the top 5 finalists in the Manufacturing and FMCG category for the 2022 TransUnion Rising Star Awards. In no particular order, they are Craig Sydneyham, Sales Director, Coty; Dina Selamolela, Telematics Specialist, Mercedes-Benz, South Africa; Abdul Ayob, Production Specialist, BMW; Kikili Khodi, Head of Body Operations, BMW; Anthony Antoniadu, Dealer and Online Channel Specialist, BMW. I wish you all the best. Good luck. We look forward to seeing you in person at the next round of interviews. Thank you.